German government is on debate over whether or not they should be adding speed limits to the Autobahn's legendary unlimited section. Now, looks like soon they are going to restrict the unlimited sections after a Bugatti Chiron owner tried to max out its car on the public road. The Green Party in Germany's new coalition government called for 80 miles per hour speed limits across the Autobahn's thousands of miles of road. The idea was proposed mostly as an environmental measure to stop cars from consuming the large quantities of fuel that are needed to achieve such high speeds. It's a common misconception that the entire Autobahn system is unlimited. In fact, only about 70% of it is truly de-restricted, while the rest of the Autobahn has a speed limit of 62 miles per hour. It's not immediately clear how successful the proposal would be, given the idea was ditched during talks to form the new coalition government in the country.